CAT, 1 water leak sensor operation, and debugging based on Alibaba MQTT protocol. The following will be explained in 5 parts. 1. Hardware introduction and preparation. 2. Software introduction and preparation. 3. Practical operation demonstration. 4. System integration instructions. 5. Troubleshooting guide. Before configuration, let's review the working principle and data flow. The water leak sensor detects water accumulation through probes or cables, then transmits data via CAT, 1 wireless network to Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud then forwards the data to the app. 1. Hardware introduction and preparation. Prior to operation, prepare the following hardware components. Our provided components: 4G water leak sensor, 4G antenna, configuration cable, detection probe or sensing cable, customer provided items, a computer, Alibaba Cloud Platform account. Connection procedure. First, connect the 4G antenna. Secure antenna to SMA connector. Orient vertically upward. Then connect the water detection probe or sensing cable. For parameter configuration, connect configuration cable, USB end to computer, for parameter configuration. Then turn on the power switch. LED indicator solid on. Ready for configuration. Configuration notes. LED should be solid or blinking. If the indicator turns off during configuration, it means the device has entered sleep mode. You can turn off the power switch. Wait 5 seconds, then turn it on again. The indicator will stay on again. Or unplug and replug the configuration cable. Before unplugging, close the software serial port first. LED blinks after reconnection. Resume configuration. 2. Software introduction and preparation. Contact support for configuration software. Open the downloaded configuration software. Find the serial port driver. Find this application and click. Keep clicking next to complete installation. The subsequent steps will not be demonstrated. The serial port can be emulated via the configuration cable. Right-click this PC. Click Manage Device Manager Ports to check if the serial port driver is installed. Port selection. Launch configuration tool. Select emulated COM port. Open serial port. Setting up Alibaba Cloud Platform. Visit Alibaba Cloud official website. Enter your Alibaba Cloud account and password. After logging in, enter FIIN platform. In the top search bar, click to enter the LifeIT platform. Click Management Console. After entering, go to the project interface. Click here to create a new project. Here we add a project named 4G Water Leak. Then click this project. Here we need to create a new product. Note, select Cellular for connection method. After creating the product, select the product to develop. Click Continue Development. Enter the function definition interface. Click Add Custom Function. According to Section 5.2 of the Water Leak Sensor Manual, Private MQTT and Alibaba Cloud MQTT Protocol. Add custom functions. Note, identifiers must be filled exactly as in the protocol. Here it's already added. After adding functions, go to the human-machine interface. This is used to set up the app monitoring interface. Customers can customize the settings based on their preferred functions. After the interface is set up, the device can be bound to the app via network configuration QR code. Next is device debugging. We need to add a new device here. Device name can be customized. After filling in, click Confirm. Here we can see the new device has been added. Click Device Certificate. To view the device's Alibaba triple serial port selection and parameter configuration, open the Alibaba version Water Leak Configuration Tool software. Select the virtual serial port created by the configuration cable. Open the serial port. Next, configure the sensor parameters. Note, must be in indicator blinking state. Here is the IP configuration area. First, select Network, as we're debugging based on Alibaba MQTT protocol. Select MQTT Server Login. Alibaba MQTT Login doesn't require IP setting. Here is the Alibaba triple area. Need to input the corresponding device's triple information. Can be viewed in Device Certificate. Fill in product key, device name, device secret accordingly. Next is the general parameter area. Device address can be customized. Alarm cycle refers to when the sensor continuously triggers alarm state. The sensor will upload alarm information at this preset interval. Unit is minutes. Set as needed. Receive wait time refers to after device establishes connection with server, the maximum allowed time threshold, waiting for server response. Unit is seconds. If no response is detected within this period, the device will enter sleep mode. Registration package can be set as needed by cloud server. Before establishing communication link with server, a registration package will be sent first. No need to set here. Heartbeat cycle refers to the interval for periodic heartbeat packages between device and server. Used to confirm device is online. Can be set as needed. Longer heartbeat cycle saves more power. Here is the parameter display area. Mainly shows version, number, and card number. Here is the APN configuration area. Fill in the APN scenario correctly based on the SIM's carrier and card type. For the specific name, please consult your carrier. Enter the APN username and password as required by the carrier. For IAT cards, these fields are usually left blank, while regular cards may require credentials provided by the carrier. Once filled in, save the configuration to apply. After parameter configuration, click Write and reset. Water leak sensor parameters are now configured. 3. Practical operation demonstration. After water leak sensor parameters are configured, establish association with Alibaba Cloud Platform through network configuration QR code. Sensor status can be viewed in the app. Copy device name from device certificate. Go to human-machine interface. Click Product Manual to download network configuration QR code. Enter the corresponding device name. A QR code will be generated. Scan the code with Cloud Management app on phone. Device is now added to the app. Note that adding device to app must be done when device is online. Can trigger sensor alarm to bring it online. In app monitoring interface, device address can be viewed. Here shows current remaining battery. Can also view device card number and signal strength. Here shows detection status of each sensor. Can real-time reflect water leak sensors. 2 core states, leak and normal. When no water accumulation is detected, interface shows all lines as normal. When water is detected by detection line, that line's status shows as water leak. 4. System integration. Explanation. Above demonstration used our Alibaba Cloud Platform account. Customers should log into their own Alibaba Cloud Platform account. Follow steps to create new device. After creation, enter the device's triple into the software. Thus, water leak sensor and Alibaba Cloud Platform establish secure communication. Link via MQTT protocol. Users complete device binding by scanning QR code. Can then subscribe to sensor information and detection status on mobile app. Note that Water leak sensor is a low-power product. As client end, it doesn't maintain constant connection with platform, only connects during communication. After sending data closes connection and enters sleep mode. Uploaded data is in JSON format. Specific protocol is in Section 5.2 of Water Leak Sensor Manual. Private MQTT and Alibaba Cloud MQTT Protocol. 5. Troubleshooting Guide. Sensor keeps alarming. Check if water sensing cable or probe is short-circuited. Just measure resistance between two endpoints with a multimeter. If resistance exists, check if cable is damp or damaged. Clean probe or replace cable or probe if necessary. No data from sensor for a long time. Confirm server IP and port are correct. Possible reasons: SIM card out of credit, data exhausted or weak carrier signal. Contact our sales for assistance or local 4G coverage. Is unstable high, move device to area with stable coverage. Serial port not showing. Confirm cable is properly connected. Try different USB port or cable. Check if serial device is abnormal. If serial device is abnormal, reinstall serial port driver. Above is the complete process of Cat 1 water leak sensor usage and debugging based on Alibaba MQTT protocol.